Complete product accessories. Packing box, manual, multimeter, storage bag, charging cable, temperature line, test pen line. Comes with a charging cable. Disassemble and connect the charging cable to charge. Open the charging port to charge. The flashlight port flashes red to indicate that it is charging. Very sharp silicone gauge line, high temperature resistance. Long press the button on the left side to turn it on. Automatic transmission identification, DC voltage, button battery, 9V battery, 15V battery, 37V battery. Very accurate. Automatic transmission identification, AC voltage measurement. Press this button to switch functions. Measuring diode, positive and negative poles can be aligned. Switch to resistive gear measurement, no need to correspond to positive and negative poles. Cross the stylus and measure the buzzer. Switch EF into NCV induction detection, the closer you get, the faster the frequency. Long press the second button to turn on the flashlight. Zero wire recognition. The fast alarm frequency is the line of fire. No alarm is the zero line. Switch to temperature measurement. Contact the lighter with a thermocouple. Switch Hertz frequency measurements. The measurement is more accurate after the pen cross clears the value. Switch to capacitive gear. Before measuring the capacitance, it is necessary to short-circuit the capacitor. Just touch both ends of the capacitor with a watch pen. To measure the current, insert the red pen into the current hole. AC current measurement. DC current measurement.